What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for a total body transformation is completely free, requires zero equipment, and takes less than 10 minutes a day? In 1980, a young martial artist did 100 push-ups every single morning. By day 30, his chest looked like armor. But for most people, this challenge is a trap. If you do it wrong, you'll wreck your shoulders before you see a single muscle fiber. If you do it right, your body undergoes a biological shift that most gym-goers never experience. Today, we're breaking down the science, the pain, and the shocking reality of what happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every single day. 100 push-ups a day. It sounds like a magic number, popularized by anime characters and fitness influencers alike. But 3,000 push-ups in a month is a massive volume of work for the human body. Before we dive into the day-by-day breakdown, we need to address the elephant in the room: overtraining. Most people fail this challenge because they treat their body like a machine. But your muscles aren't gears, they're living tissue. We're going to look at this through the lens of a 30-day journey, covering the metabolic shifts, the hormonal spikes, and the structural changes in your skeleton. Let's start with Week 1, the shock phase. Week 1, the neuromuscular shock. On day 1, you're feeling ambitious. You knock out 20, maybe 30 in a row. By day 3, reality hits. Your chest feels like it's been hit by a sledgehammer. This is DOM, delayed onset muscle soreness. But something fascinating is happening under the surface. Your brain is currently undergoing neuromuscular adaptation. Because you're doing a movement your body isn't used to at this volume, your central nervous system is waking up dormant motor units. You aren't actually getting stronger yet. Your brain is just learning how to use the muscle you already have more efficiently. The danger zone. This is where 40% of people quit. Your tendons, the connective tissue attaching muscle to bone, heals slower than your muscles. If you feel a sharp ping in your shoulder or elbow during Week 1, your body is screaming for a form check. Are your elbows flared out like a T? If so, you're grinding your rotator cuff. Tuck them in at a 45-degree angle. This small shift changes the load from your joints to your fibers. Week 2 and 3. The metabolic engine. By day 14, the burn changes. The initial soreness fades, replaced by a permanent tightness. This is where the metabolic shift happens. Doing 100 reps daily increases your muscular endurance. Your body begins to increase the density of mitochondria, the power plants of your cells within your upper body. You're teaching your muscles to flush out lactic acid faster. The visual change: you might notice you look bigger in the mirror immediately after your sets. This is the pump. Blood is rushing to the pectorals, deltoids, and triceps to deliver oxygen and nutrients. While this is temporary, the constant daily recruitment of these muscles leads to myofibrillar hypertrophy. Your muscle fibers are thickening to handle the daily stress. However, there's a secret benefit no one talks about. The core of push-up is essentially a moving plank. By day 20, your transverse abdominis internal weight belt is becoming rock solid. You're standing taller, your posture is improving, and that slouch from sitting at a desk is starting to vanish. Week 4, the plateau and the transformation as you hit the final stretch. Day 25 to 30, the 100 push-ups feel easy. This is the plateau. To keep seeing results, your body needs progressive overload. If you keep doing the same 100 standard push-ups, your body finds the path of least resistance and stops growing. The result, after 30 days and 3,000 reps, here is the objective truth: vascularity. Your arms and chest will likely show more vein definition due to increased blood flow demands. Definition: you won't look like a bodybuilder, but you will have the wiry strength of a gymnast. The compound effect: because you've stayed disciplined. Your baseline testosterone may see a slight optimization due to regular resistance training, especially if you've improved your sleep to recover. So, should you do 100 push-ups every day? If you're looking for a quick fix to get huge, the answer is no. you need rest days for maximum growth. But if you're looking to build unshakable discipline, functional strength, and a rock-solid foundation, this challenge is a game changer. The real transformation isn't just in your chest. It's in your mind. It's the realization that you can show up for yourself even when you don't want to. But remember, form over reps, quality over quantity. If you can only do 10 perfect push-ups today, start there. Build your own legend, one rep at a time. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Helps the algorithm show this to other people looking to level up their fitness. And if you've ever tried a 30-day challenge, drop your results in the comments below. I read every single one. Ready to see what happens when you skip sugar for 30 days. Watch this video next. Stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.